In today's fast-paced world, we read all about finding those little time and money savers that can make life just a bit easier. And sometimes the simplest tricks are the ones that have been tried and tested over time. Welcome back to our channel. Here are 12 life hacks that you may already know, but if you don't, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. No, 1. If you have to be somewhere in 5 minutes, use this trick to get there faster. When you need to get somewhere quickly, whether it's to catch a bus, train, or simply avoid being late for an important meeting, this simple trick can help you beat the clock. Look for shortcuts like using side streets or even walking through parks or gardens instead of sticking to the main roads. Not only can this save you precious minutes, but you might also discover a more scenic route that you didn't know existed. Number 2. Want to quickly find out if a number is a multiple of 3? Here's a nifty trick. When you want to check if a number is divisible by 3, there's no need to break out your calculator. Just add up all the digits of the number, and if the sum is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. For instance, let us check if 246 is divisible by 3. Add the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 12. Since 12 is divisible by 3, we know that 246 is also divisible by 3. 3. Need to open a wine bottle without a corkscrew? No problem. One of the oldest tricks in the book is using a hair straightener to open wine bottles. This works surprisingly well and requires no special equipment. Simply insert the tip of the flat iron into the bottle until you hear a hiss of air escaping. Then give the bottle a quarter turn and pull upwards to remove the cork. It's as easy as that. Number 4. Do you want to know if your clothes are clean enough without taking them off? Try this quick trick. Rather than blindly putting on and taking off your clothes, which can be a hassle, there's a simpler way to check if they're clean enough. Before you change, take a quick peek at your underwear and socks. If they're still looking reasonably clean, it's likely that your clothes are good to wear again. However, if your underwear and socks are dirty, it's time to change into something fresh. This saves you from the trouble of putting on dirty clothes and keeps your wardrobe smelling and feeling better. 5. Got a small crack in your windshield? Here's how to prevent it from spreading. A small windshield crack can quickly become a major problem if left unattended. To prevent the crack from spreading, immediately apply a small piece of clear nail polish to the crack. This may sound unconventional, but nail polish contains compounds that can actually help seal the crack and stop it from growing. It's a quick and easy fix that could save you from a costly windshield replacement. Number 6. Having trouble falling asleep? Try this simple trick. Getting a good night's sleep can sometimes be elusive. So if you're struggling to fall asleep, try this technique. Before going to bed, drink a glass of warm milk. The warmth of the milk will relax your body, while the lactose helps to produce chemicals that promote sleepiness. This can help you drift off to dreamland faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Number 7. Want to quickly see if your food is ready? Use this trick instead of continuously checking your food while it's cooking, which can be frustrating and sometimes dangerous. Try this simple trick. Give your pan a gentle nudge. If it rocks, your food needs a bit more time. However, if it stays still, it's likely ready to be served. This method works wonders with fried eggs, pancakes, and more, ensuring that you achieve cooking perfection without any guesswork. 8. Stuck with a shirt that needs ironing? No iron, no problem. When you're short on time and need to smooth out your clothes, use a hairdryer instead of ironing. The airflow from the dryer can help remove wrinkles from your shirt, making it look almost as good as if it had been ironed. Simply hang your shirt, turn on the dryer, and let the warm air work its magic. Number 9. Want to keep your clothes looking their best? Here's a simple trick. To keep your clothes looking brand new, turn your shirts inside out before washing them. This helps protect the outer surface of your shirts from friction and abrasion, which can cause pilling and other types of damage. By turning them inside out, you can keep the delicate outer layer safe while still getting a thorough clean. Number 10. Have ants become an unwanted guest in your home? Try this trick. When you spot an ant trail in your kitchen, There's a simple trick to stop them in their tracks. Create a barrier using baby powder or cornstarch. Ants hate these substances and will avoid crossing them. So by putting down a line of powder, you can effectively block their path and deter them from entering your home. Number 11. Tired of losing your keys? Try this easy trick. Keep track of your keys by attaching a bright post-it note to them. This way you'll always know where to find them. When you come home, simply stick your keys with the post-it note to a hook or bowl in an easily visible location. In the morning, when you're in a rush to leave, you'll be thankful you remembered this simple trick. Number 12. Trying to remove sticker residue. Try this. Removing sticker residue can be a challenge, but this simple trick can help. Grab a cloth, dip it in warm water, and rub gently on the affected area. The warmth and moisture will help break down the adhesive, allowing you to wipe it away without damaging the surface underneath. If you enjoyed these simple yet effective tips, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos like this. We appreciate your support and hope you continue to tune in for more practical advice that makes life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.